Hello everyone, I'm Chef Francesco Cavazzina and today I'm going to prepare something special with the Grana Padano cheese. The recipe for today is a homemade lasagnetta with asparagus. For this recipe you will need for the dough, flour, fresh eggs, extra virgin olive oil, fresh asparagus, for the bechamel sauce, milk and nutmeg powder, butter, flour, marjoram herbs, and some sprinkles of Grana Padano cheese. First of all, add the flour into the bowl, then make a hole in the center, break 2 eggs, then add some extra virgin olive oil and a pinch of salt. Now mix well all together. Then start with the herbs. Put in a table and mix it until all the ingredients are well combined. So when all the ingredients are combined, then the dough is ready. Put the dough into the cling film and rest for half an hour. Now take the asparagus and remove the bottom. Then slice it. Now remove all the leaves from the marjoram and start to finely slice. Then add in a bowl. Switch on the fire, add the extra virgin olive oil and start to add your asparagus. Slightly pan-sear. Add a pinch of salt and a black pepper and pan-sear slightly. When ready, take out and put on the side. Add extra virgin olive oil. Put all the asparagus sliced into the pan. Then add a pinch of salt, pepper, and mix it until cooked. Add the milk into the pot. Then grate the nutmeg. Add a pinch of salt. Now is the time to prepare the bechamel sauce. Add the butter inside and leave it to melt. When the butter is ready, add the flour. Now the roux is ready, add into the milk. And whisk it until desired consistency. Now add 1/3 of the asparagus in the bechamel sauce. Then blend with a hand blender. Combine all the rest of the asparagus, then mix all together. And our sauce is ready. Now open the dough from the cling film, dust it with a little bit of flour. Now start to put the dough into the machine and roll it until thin size. Dust it with flour. Now the dough is ready, start to cut the pasta sheet. Keep on the side and dust with flour. Now take your Grana Padano cheese and finally grate it. Now add the marjoram into the bechamel sauce. Mix all together. Add a spoon of asparagus sauce, then add the pasta sheet on top, then 1 more spoon of asparagus sauce and sprinkle with a Grana Padano cheese. Repeat again until you finish all the ingredients. Finish it, the last layer with the pan-sear asparagus on top, then finish with a good hand of Grana Padano cheese. Add the extra virgin olive oil on top. Place your lasagnetta in the oven and cook it under 60 degrees for 1 hour. Now your lasagnetta is ready. Leave it to cool down, slice it and place into the plate. Now your lasagnetta with asparagus and Grana Padano cheese is ready. Enjoy your meal. Buon appetito!
If you like to have more information about Grana Padano cheese, visit the website or Instagram. Buon appetito!